Well, what it is, what it was, what it's gonna be. YouTube just dropped the tailgate on them. Sonny Bono. That's Mike. That's Sissy. That's Princess.
You ready to go get a rabbit?
That's Misty right there. That's old Maggie. And we're gonna go see what it do. We out here, we're gonna see what it. Man, you gonna do? You buy my truck? Or you might use, boy, use a shame on him. We're gonna come on, man, see what it do, man. We're gonna go out here and have a little fun.
Which way y'all wanna go?
Hey, which way you wanna go?
We going straight across?
I don't wanna go straight across. Let's go down in there. My man, Mr. Black. Hey, Queen. Truck. And it jumped on already. I wanted to go that way, but they gonna go that way. Rabbit going on up there. Is it more than one rabbit? Well, it looks like it should. Yeah.
Radio check.
I'm on it. See what they're gonna do. Two and a half inch, number 6s. That's 3-inch number 6.
I wouldn't know what to do.
Get us well, baby. Coming on back with it. You slip back through. You done cross back over? He done cross back over, y'all. Thought he was coming up here to die. He ain't ready yet. A lot going on, a lot going on. It's running. The rabbit's sort of rough. And I mean real rough. That Sunny dog ain't lost him. That's a good pup. It's gonna be hard to losing with him. He was running him by himself there for a minute. Turned him and brought him back to the pack, and they started running him again, but he gonna be nice. So this truck's right there, trying to get away from the dang on road. A rabbit up in here somewhere. I'm gonna tell him put him in the truck. That rabbit gonna come out there. I missed him. Out down there, Black. Haggle, 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 haggle. He might be hit. I doubt it. Gotta get my powder now. Haggle, 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 haggle. Haggle, 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 haggle. Right here, right here, right here. Yo, right here, right here. Hey, 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 hey. Mister, here, right here. Come here. Right here, Mike. Yeah, right here. Hey, right here, right here. Hey, hey. I made a move. He hit, ain't he? I thought I put some pepper on his butt. They caught him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him now. Don't eat him. Hold on, let me see where they at. Where y'all at? I hear you over there wrestling. Where you at? Where you at? Lost my hat. Find Mr. Black Dog.
Huh? Here you go, right here.
You got him?
She got the rabbit in her mouth.
Who that?
That little brown and white dog.
Princess?
Yep. Come here, Princess. Hey, Princess. She got the rabbit coming towards you. She's going to your right.
Here you go, mama. Good dog. Look at it. We got a retriever. Good girl. Come here. Put him down. Hey, Black. Dog got the rabbit. I gotta get it. Killer squad, baby. There she is with it. Dog's on rabbit number 2. Mr. Black walking down there. He gonna go get in his way. Jumped that rabbit up in here. Over here where I killed that rabbit at. They're coming on down this way with it. Getting down here. I don't know what he gonna do, but he got up from here, so he gonna want to come back this way. Right here. Kneel down. I'll get you when they're coming back. Over this city. Well, they sounded. Shit, there go Mr. Black. Whatever might still be on the loose. Boy, I believe I got him dead over there, boy. Oh, that's thick as all cotton candy up in here. You heard me shoot that thing, boy. He dead as a doornail. My goodness. My goodness.
Came out to the parking lot.
Can predict him now. Knock the hair out of him, boy. Hit him hard. Where my dogs at? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where my dogs at? Right here dead in front of me, boy. Trying to see what's taking them dogs so long. It must be that old 11,000 gunpowder down there. Here they come. Give it to you like it's happening, y'all. That's Maggie. Look at Mike coming straight down the pipe. Look at that. Come on, sissy. There he is, girl. Dead. There he is, Sonny. Dead. There he is, Queen. Dead. Dead. Hey, go, dead. Killer squad, baby. Another one down. Number 2 for me. Oh, Sunny boy, okay. Rabbit number 3 up. Or they're just running so rough. I don't know if because it's the thickness or what's happening. They usually run a lot fluently than this. Boy, you over there with them dogs at now?
Yep. Dog's going back up towards the truck.
Or you on down? Killer squad, baby. This is rabbit number 4. They circling back round. They was coming this way. Until they get closer, yeah. What are they coming my way today? Queen, put him down. Mike, I tell you about eating a rabbit, bro. There he is, Sonny. There he is, man. Here you go. Dead as he can be, bro. Here you go. Yes, sir. Killer squad, baby. They working better now. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, how you get below me, boy? You was up on top.
Just making sure they stay off the road. Rabbit ain't gonna cross it so thick in here, but he run up and down the highway. That's what they did with it. Now they gonna turn him on back in here. I'll give you a report. Every time I get ready to want to turn it off, when I get there. They coming this way. Telling you, as soon as I turn it off, this GoPro ain't gonna come up. I guess he ain't coming, y'all. Well, you almost suck yourself down in the sinkhole.
Almost made it. Last step.
Rabbit number 6. They go a deer stand over there. The rabbit running out here in the wide open wood. Come up through this thicket. That's pumping. I had to walk my male pup to the truck. I think he sprained his little wrist, little ass foot again. He up there limping. Killer Squad, baby, they on they on fire. Rabbit number 6. They coming back across here. That's some black right there. She on her face over there. And Bigfoot down there. So. He came back down there. He jumped up at. I just get excited like a kid at Christmas. the black get a shot at him. Yeah, he seems like he's flying. That little Sonny pup, boy, he kept on running, limp leg and all. He stayed in there, got true heart. Kill squad, baby. Coming back around with it. I see you, Bo. I think it's gonna push him on out of here now. Rabbit number 8, up and going. Keep on, y'all need to keep going. Sonny, man, Sonny, come on, Sonny Bono. Ah, he's starting to understand. Ah, he's starting to understand. That's gonna make him deadly. He's starting to understand. Hey, he's starting to understand now. Let him keep it up. I'm telling you, we didn't kill rabbits 1 and 2. 3 went to a hole, killed 4. 5, 6, and 7 then hit hole. Is rabbit number 8. So it's been bumpy running. It's been bumpy running. I don't know the humidity. I don't know what's happening. They moving. When they get closer, y'all kill us. They're on their way back with it. The rain came about. This might help them out a little bit. Drop this and go away. Is that a dog? Or that the rabbit? Right there. That's a deer. What is that? I seen a white tail flip through there. Oh, that's Mike. Oh, that was the rabbit then. Close but no cigar. Oh man, the running been real bumpy. Real bumpy. They're doing alright now, but I don't know what these rabbits is doing to them. So many of them hitting the hole. I guess some Yodi's been after them. Running. Everybody's to sleep on it. It'll slow it. Y'all better get back down there, y'all were wrong. Boy, they get that boy. got rabbit number 9 going. All these rabbits, man, they running for so long, they put him in a hole. We didn't get the chance to see him. That last one, they ran him though. They straight ran him. Ain't close, no cigar. I might see the rabbit. They need that. I love the way that sounds, y'all. What's up, y'all? You're 86 now, right? Yeah. 86 and 41 years of marriage?
Yeah.
It's a bad man right there. Y'all better, you know what I'm saying, check him out. 86, still doing the shin dizzle fizzle. That boy in there, him tired too. And look at him. Well, we end up jumping 9 rabbits. Yeah. Killed 3. And dogs did what they could, but they were sort of strange in the end. I don't know what was happening. Sin conditions wasn't the best, so something didn't go right. But they did what they could, we did what we can. We had a blast, I had a ball.
For some reason or another, they ain't got no house sitting now. Last time I was out, they didn't run like they normally run.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're gonna need some. We're gonna need some weather.
It has to do with the scent.
And definitely that.
But like I said now.
Well, how you think the dogs ran?
Dog couldn't do no better. Thick as it is out there. And it's no snow on the ground, and weeds and things ain't laid down.
Yeah.
They run good.
What you think, bro?
They circle the rabbits.
And the good thing about
hard to kill them.
Yeah.
You know, when your dogs run good is when they don't quit.
Yeah, that's true. That they ran all day.
Then lose a rabbit and come on back, then you know they ain't running.
Right.
But if they lose a rabbit and they keep searching, I told you before, if they don't come back, you just wait, they'll find it.
Man, what you think about up there, boy? Shoot him in the face? Huh? I can't hear you. Ah, he said the rabbits won. Yeah, well, that's what it is. But look, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Appreciate your time watching and doing what we love to do. Appreciate it a whole bit. Y'all go, man, losing your stuff, man. Wind blowing everything. Yeah. So, y'all. What would you guys say to people, boy?
Shoot them till they stop.
Well, that's what's happening. What would you guys say to people, boy?
Stay blessed. Get out and get them.
Uh-huh. Deuces, y'all. Killer Squad, baby.